Good morning to you students. So today I am going to explain you about models. What are models? So let's start with the chapter what are models. The modal verb is a type of verb that is used to indicate modality, that is likelihood, ability, permission, request, capacity, suggestion, order, obligation or advice. Modal verbs always accompany the base infinitive form of another verb having semantic content in English. The modal verbs commonly used are can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would and must. However, when we want to say someone had permission to do something and she did it in a particular past situation, we must use was, were, allowed and could, cannot be. Like the players were allowed to take rest yesterday, but we cannot say that players could take rest yesterday, because yesterday players could take rest. The sentence isn't correct. So when we are speaking about the past, we have to say the players were allowed to take rest yesterday. It's an example. The modal auxiliary verbs or the modal verbs are known as the helping verbs. As the last name suggests, they help the main verbs of the sentence. So let us begin with the modal verbs. The examples of modal auxiliaries. Can. Can is used for ability, doubt, astonishment, permission, polite request. May. Like, can you give me a pen? Can you help me please? Just like that. For permission or polite request. May. May is used for permission. It is not prohibition. If it not prohibition, supposition with doubt. Must. Must is used for obligations, firm necessity, logical conclusions, and probability. Shall. Shall is used for intentions and suppositions. Will. Will is used for wish, desire, confidence in the future. Oath to. Oath to, the model oath to is used for moral duties, insistent advice, strict recommendation. Need is used for necessary or unnecessary. B2. B2 is used for the obligations arising out of the arrangements or agreements. Have to is used for unwillingness, forced circumstances. Would. Would is the with a wish to like, polite, a habit of the past. Shall is used for necessity, advice, blame, recommendation, reproach, regret. Used to is used to request action in the past. Few examples. Can. She can read Spanish language. Can you return my book? For could. Could, as I have told you, is used in the past. Could you bring me a glass of water? Could you open the door, please? May is used. She may have caught a fever in last night. Possibility. Now, may for permission. May I come into the class? Might. Might. It might have done damage inside. For probability or possibility. Either situation might be in the case. Either situation might be the case. Will. You will remember our whole life. John will play football tomorrow. Would. Would you like to have coffee? Would you open the door, please? Shall. Next year I shall buy a car. For possibility. Today I shall watch a movie. For probability, you should attend the class more regularly. Just for the obligation or the which is needed to do. The thing which is needed to do is it is like that. We should drink lot of water. Suggestion. We must attend his marriage. You should not spoil a split in this zone. We ought to love our youngers. We ought to clean our room. Now here we see few examples of models of obligation. Official and written rules. You must answer at least one question. You must be above 18 years to buy alcohol. Strong recommendation obligations के लिए if you go to Ireland you must visit Dublin, it's great. You must see this movie, it's incredibly good. You feel is necessary, good decision for you. You must study more grammar. It will help you improve. I must go to bed early tonight. I want to wake up early. When it's necessary to do something, no choice. I have to wear glasses when I am reading. Do you have to work on Saturday? You have to speak English in Croc English teacher's lesson. For very strong recommendation, you have to visit Berlin. It's the best city in the world. Rachel, you have to watch Django. It's my favorite movie ever. Uh, Django, sorry. Soft recommendations or personal advice. You should call Maria. I know she misses you a lot. What should I cook for dinner? Pasta? Pela? Eristre? You look sick. You should go home to and take rest. Now few notes are there. The past of must and have to is had to. Ought to is the formal version of should. The negatives are confusing, so I shall explain them in the second picture. I have to work every day. You ought to work harder. Now, few examples are there for the obligations that I have already discussed with you. The main verbs of obligation are must, have to, and should. The past of have to is has is had. The must is the personal obligation. Have to is for general obligations. Models of obligations are must, have to, should, shouldn't, have to, and hadn't. You have seen in the examples. Please go through with them. So now we are studying about the models of present and past for obligation. You must have to stop them when the traffic lights red. You had to stop. So the must or have to change into had to. Advice. You should see the doctor. You should have seen the doctor. Now it has changed into past. For prohibition, you mustn't smoke cigarette. You must not have smoked cigarette. Ability. I can run fast. You could run fast and now I am old. Certainty. He has a Rolls Royce. He must be very rich. He cannot be an American. Be American. His English is terrible. He must have been rich. He had a big house and an expensive car. He can't have written that poem. he was illiterate. Can I go for provisions? Can I go? Sorry, for permissions, can I go? She could drive her father's car when she was only 15. For possibility, I may, can, could, might, sorry, it may, can, could, might rain, it's cloudy. So there are three for possibilities, four: may, can, could, might. I guess it may, it could, or it can, or might have been lazy on the phone. Lack of necessity: you don't have to, or you need not to. You need not buy any tomatoes. There are plenty in the fridge. You didn't have to, or you didn't need to buy tomatoes. So there are few examples. Here I am showing you the modal verbs. May, might, could, can't, can, could, may. For possibility request, you are able to see in the arrows, and bacha, you have to understand them thoroughly. So I hope you are able to understand, go through with the models. Have a nice day, bacha.